At Sona Wellness Clinic, we help you recharge your body. Our vitamin IVs and injections deliver essential nutrients directly into your bloodstream for fast, effective absorption. Each IV is prepared by our nurse Kelly, who ensures your treatment is safe, personalized, and tailored to your wellness goals. Whether you're boosting your immunity, increasing energy, supporting detoxification, enhancing recovery, or simply just wanting to feel your best, there's an IV blend designed just for you. Most clients begin to feel the benefits quickly: enhanced energy, improved hydration, mental clarity, and a sense of deep replenishment. So give yourself permission to slow down, recharge, and truly nourish your body from the inside out. Ready to feel refreshed, revived, and re-energized? Book your vitamin IV or injection at Sona Wellness Clinic today and start feeling better from the inside out.